If you've been looking for that riverside property for under $500,000, well, we are here in Lake Cowichan and would like to welcome you to Unit 11, 77 Nelson. Now, this home was built in 2020, has a very low maintenance landscape, and is thoughtfully situated over 2 floors, with the top floor being reserved to the primary residence.
Enjoy the shared riverside access, perfect for swimming, fishing, and kayaking. This home is a short walk into town and only about an hour and a half outside of Victoria, making it the perfect spot for relaxation and adventure, whether you're looking for a weekend getaway or a year-round residence.